Make holiday gifting personal with the Prime Van gift card tin. Struggling with holiday gift ideas? This Christmas, give the gift of endless possibilities with the Amazon gift card in a limited edition Prime Van tin. Thoughtful and practical, it's the perfect crowd pleaser for everyone on your list. Wrapped in premium packaging, the Prime Van tin doubles as a keepsake, complete with moving wheels. This isn't just a gift card. It's a charming, reusable container that adds a delightful touch to any stocking or gift box. Amazon gift cards offer the freedom to choose from millions of items without expiration dates or hidden fees. From tech to toys, it's the gift that lets them pick exactly what they want, perfect for even the hardest to shop for loved ones. Finish your gift with a customized message at checkout. Thoughtful gifting has never been simpler. The recipient gets their card with a heartfelt note, all securely and beautifully packaged with Amazon's signature flair. Make the holidays stress-free and unforgettable. Order the Prime Van gift card tin now and bring smiles that last beyond the unwrapping. Head to Amazon today and discover the joy of perfect gifting. Don't wait. Spread the holiday cheer. Scan the QR code to order on Amazon.com.